Well, I'm up in the barn and it's time to give the cows some bedding. Basically, all of this old hay, at least on the outside, is kind of, good bedding. And down here, I've taken the trap door off. Down here is actually the cows. So, what I'm going to do is take some of this down and break the bales open, throw them down there, and then they get spread out for bedding. See if I can do this without killing myself. Okay. A little bit here. That'll work for now. Little known fact, you can actually take baling twine to cut baling twine. I can't exactly show you how this works, but you basically just take this back and forth under the string and it cuts it. And it broke the baling twine. Most of the time it doesn't work actually. So I just rip the bale. Just kind of rip the twine off. Gonna put your flakes down through the trap door. That's scary. There. Now I'll do that with a few more bales, and then that should be enough bedding for down there. Well, the trap door is right there, and it's all dropped down here in the bottom. And there's a cow out there.